Welcome to our full guide on how to get next day delivery on Amazon in 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to enjoy fast shipping. First up, let's talk about the benefits of being an Amazon Prime member. With Prime, not only do you get exclusive access to next day delivery, but you also enjoy streaming services and discounts on select items. Identifying items eligible for next day delivery is easy. Look for the Get It by message alongside items in your search results or on the product page. To ensure you can take advantage of fast shipping, make sure your Amazon account is set up correctly. This means having your delivery address updated and payment methods entered. Your delivery address matters. Ensure that it's accurate and located in an area served for next-day delivery. Use business or common landmark addresses if available. Besides next-day delivery, Amazon also offers same-day delivery in select areas. Explore both options to find what's available to you. Need to make a last-minute order? Try to place your order before the cutoff time, depending on your local time zone, to ensure you receive it the next day. Don't forget that shipping times vary based on time zones. Understanding this can help you make better purchase decisions. Lastly, manage your orders efficiently. Keep track of orders via the Amazon app or website to monitor delivery status and make changes if needed. To recap, ensure your Prime membership is active, check for eligible items, keep your address updated, and manage your orders effectively for next-day delivery success.